bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let us introduce ourselves as Group 2. My name is Ramastia Anugrah and my friend
Nadifa Putri Skia
and Vina Dewi Sari.
Apa itu e-commerce? E-commerce merupakan singkatan dari electronic commerce, yang merujuk pada kegiatan jual beli barang dan jasa yang dilakukan secara elektronik melalui internet atau yang banyak orang kenal dengan istilah belanja online. Hal ini melibatkan proses seperti penelusuran produk, pemilihan produk, pembayaran produk, dan pengiriman produk, semuanya dilakukan secara online. Istilah e-commerce sendiri telah berkembang pesat seiring dengan perkembangan teknologi internet, yang memungkinkan konsumen untuk berbelanja dengan lebih mudah tanpa harus datang ke toko dan bertemu dengan sang penjual secara fisik. E-commerce sendiri telah mengalami pertumbuhan yang sangat pesat selama beberapa dekade terakhir ini. Banyak perusahaan tradisional beralih ke model bisnis online dan banyak usaha baru muncul secara eksklusif di ranah e-commerce ini. Lalu perkembangan teknologi digital telah berkembang dan memberikan kontribusi besar terhadap e-commerce. E-commerce sendiri telah mencakup transaksi yang dilakukan melalui perangkat seluler seperti smartphone dan tablet. Namun lebih daripada itu, media sosial merupakan peran penting dalam dunia e-commerce ini. Platform media sendiri memungkinkan untuk memasarkan produk mereka secara langsung kepada konsumen, bahkan dapat menawarkan opsi pembelian secara langsung. Nah, lalu selama pandemi COVID-19 ini, e-commerce mengalami lonjakan signifikan karena pembatasan sosial dan penutupan toko yang memerlukan transaksi lewat fisik. Lalu banyaknya konsumen beralih ke pembelian online untuk memenuhi kebutuhan mereka sehari-hari. E-commerce sendiri terus berkembang dan menjadi bagian integral dari cara kita berbelanja dan berbisnis secara global. Perubahan teknologi dan kebutuhan konsumen terus mendorong inovasi dalam industri e-commerce ini.
Hello, welcome back to Digital World. I am Nadifa and today we are dissecting an inevitable phenomenon, online shopping. Well, online shopping itself is online shopping using technology tools that actually use a cell phone with the best online best shopping application. We will dissect everything about online shopping with our guest star Miss Rahma, a consumer who really feels the benefit, and Miss Vina, a merchant who has control from the physical store side. Rahma, we start with you. Why is online shopping an indispensable part of the modern lifestyle?
Simple, Nadifa. Time efficiency and comfort. I can buy anything from daily necessity to gadgets without having to get stuck in traffic, looking for a parking space, let alone Wave. This is really solution, especially when the situation is limit. This is really solution, especially when the situation is limited like yesterday pandemic.
And at vintage, is hard to reference. However, Miss Vina, behind the comfort, what is your behind concern?
My main concern is two things: security and hope. Consumers do save time, but they sacrifice their privacy and financial data, which is born the lack and found, and the inconsistency of goods.
This is a classic dilemma. Rahma, how do you deal with the fact that your personal data is at risk and you money reserve items that do not match what is advertised?
That's right, there is a risk. Therefore, consumer must be more selective. Kamu baca natural. I always check the seller reputation and read other buyers' reviews in depth, including negative reviews. As a small research by admit, there is another dark side that Miss Vina mentioned. Consumptive behavior, the temptation of flash sales and big discount, often triggers impulsive purchase that make us buy items that we don't really need.
That's right. This consumptive behavior demands personal financial management, ease of payment, and aggressive promotion seem to encourage people to keep buying. And what exacerbates all this rise is the lack of adequate regulation and legal protection.
So we go back to the rules of regulation and education. Online shopping brings great benefit, especially because it changed our online shopping culture to be more efficient and valid. But it also brings resolution challenge in causing what is a brief recommendation from the two of you.
My opinion is consumer must educate themselves, read description and reviews, and do strict financial management so that they are not easily tempted by momentary discount.
The government must
Strengthen.
strengthen. The government must strengthen
E-commerce.
Consumer must education.
Education.
You see?
Ki kan consumers must
The
oh kurang marah the government. The government apa government?
Government.
The government must strengthen commerce regulation, especially consumer protection, and the seller must be transparent about the quality of the product.
Very firm. Online shopping is the future, but it must go hand in hand with security, honesty, and financial intelligence. Thank you, Miss Rahma and Miss Vina, for the every rich perspective.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Let us. Gak apa-apa, gak usah. Ini kelompok mirang.
Best shopping application.
Oh iya, aku tapi kok gak itu menang ya.
Iya. Kayak gitu ya.
Thank you and thank you. Goodbye, guys.
Bye.